In this video, I want to create something that I'm going to call a tone rewriter. So you can give it some text and it will rewrite it in the style that you want. Now there's multiple ways you can do this. I'm going to show you one way that maybe will get you thinking about how you can modify this for your own workflows. But let's create a workflow. I'm going to call this tone rewriter, and I'm going to add in an on-form submission because I want to collect information from you as you're running the automation so that you can tell the AI exactly what it is that you want. So, form title, tell me what you want. All right, and then we come down to the form elements. And the first form element I'm going to ask for is the title of the document, because then we can save it to Google Docs with that title. And if we have it in here, then we can easily pick it. Right, the next one, add form element, we're going to say tone, and let's put target tone. And we're going to have a drop down box. I'm just going to put a drop down box so you can select from options. You could have that as a normal text box and then you could type in whatever you wanted. But let's do it as a drop down box, and I'm going to give it a few options. Professional, let's say friendly, we'll say, let's also have persuasive. All right, so for tonal target, it can be professional, friendly, or persuasive. And you could always add in more there if you want. Right, add a field option. Let's put down, oh, actually not format option. Let's put in a form element. And we'll call this one formality. So how formal do you want the rewrite? And again, I'm going to put drop down so we can put in some options here. And I'm going to say 1, not formal. Add a field option, we'll put 2, 3, 4, and then 5, which is formal. And the next one, I'm going to add another form element and say length. And we'll put drop down again. I'm going to say shorter, same, and longer. And then we need to know what text to modify. So let's add a form element and we'll say text to modify, and then we'll select text area so there's more room to type. Let's trigger it and see what it looks like. Okay, so we have title of the document. I'm going to put in some text here. We'll say professional, friendly, or persuasive. Let's say professional. Formality, very formal. Length, we'll say a bit longer. And the text to modify, let's just put in hello world, just to give us the variables. We're not expecting this to be rewritten. Okay, so here we are. In fact, this is the title of the document, the target, formality, length, text to modify, submitted at. Okay, so that information is all in there now. What we need now is an AI agent that's going to rewrite whatever text you put in. And we're going to define the prompt. Just make sure it's all connected up. And for this one, I've got LM Studio running. I'm going to put in an OpenAI chat mode. We'll leave it at, actually, let's put in a 3B model, and we turn use responses API off. So that should now work. And we need to now put in the prompt. The prompt, I'm going to paste it in. Let's change that to an expression and then we can see what we're doing. Okay, I'm going to paste in my expression, then we can go through it, or my prompt. You're an AI content editor that rewrites text into a different tone while preserving the original meaning and facts. Inputs you'll receive, original text. So that is the text to modify. Target zone. So professional, friendly, formality, 1 to 5, preference length is length, and your goals, rewrite original text, this is the text to modify, to match the requested target zone. Adjust the style according to formality and length preferences. Keep all factual content, numbers, dates and concrete claims accurate and unchanged. Tone and style rules refers to this target tone. If it's professional, we want it to be clear, polite, confident, no slang, avoid exclamation marks except where genuinely needed. Friendly, warm and approachable, conversational, light use of contractions, but still respectful. And then persuasive, benefit focused, engaging with clear calls to action, but never hypey or misleading. And then some guidance on the formality scale. Formality of 1 to 2, more casual wording is allowed, contractions are fine, sentences can be slightly looser. Formality of 3, neutral business tone. Formality of 4 and 5, more formal wording, avoid slang, useful sentences and avoid emojis. And then the length control, shorter, same and longer. We've got some options in there as well. Safety and quality constraints, do not change or invent any hard facts, numbers, dates, URLs, names or specific promises. Do not add new prices, discounts, guarantees or claims. Well, you can read it for yourself and I will attach this to the resources of this video so you can grab a copy of this if you want it. Okay, so let's close this and we are going to add in a Google Docs because we are going to save the output. So Google Docs, let's create a document, come down here, My Drive, folder. I've actually created a folder called Tonal Rewrites down here. That's where all the rewrites are going to go. I'm just going to run the AI agent so we can get those fields coming through as well. And the title is from the on-form submission. We made sure we put that in. Let's save that and come over and we're going to do another Google Docs and we're going to update. So update the document. It's the document that comes from the create a document. So document ID is up here. And we scroll down. We want to insert text. What text do we want? Well, the output from the AI. Okay, so there is simple automation. We need some content to rewrite. And this is what we're going to rewrite. It's an email. Dear Madam, your guarantee has expired. Unfortunately, that means the matter is now outside the period in which we are required to repair, replace, refund, or otherwise rescue the situation. In plain terms, the guarantee had a deadline, and that deadline has come and gone. We appreciate this may be disappointing, but guarantees do not stretch indefinitely, however inconvenient that may be. Yours sincerely, Jackie. Now that's a little bit rude if you're a customer support person. In fact, we can make it even more rude. Let's replace, refund, or even care. So unfortunately that means the matter is now outside the period in which we're required to repair, replace, refund or even care about your product. Okay, so it's quite rude. I'm going to copy that and we're going to try and rewrite it in a professional and formal way. So let's execute the workflow and I'm going to put formal letter. We'll say target zone. We want this professional. Formality, we'll say 5. Length, it could be the same or longer. Let's just do it the same. And we'll paste in the text to modify and hit submit. AI agent is going to work. It's creating the document. It's updated the document. So let's go over to the tonal rewrites. That one, not sure where that one came from. Formal letter, let's have a look. Dear Sir, Madam, your warranty period has concluded. As a result, the matter falls outside the scope of the standard repair, replacement, refund or support obligations under this agreement. While we regret any inconvenience caused by this development, it is important to note that warranties are subject to their specified terms and durations. We appreciate your understanding in this regard. Okay, that's better. Let's try one other tonal rewrite. We'll run it again and let's put this as friendly rewrite. Target tone, let's say friendly then. Formality, let's say not formal. Options, let's make it a bit longer. And we'll paste in the text to rewrite. Let's close that. Okay, that's done. Let's go to tonal rewrites. There's our friendly rewrite just appeared. Dear customer, I hope this message finds you well. I'm writing to let you know that your product's warranty period has come to an end. This means we can no longer offer repairs, replacements or refunds as part of our standard guarantee. It simply isn't within the terms we've outlined for this service. While it may feel disappointing, it's important to remember that warranties are designed with clear time frames in mind and we respect those boundaries. We truly appreciate your patience and understanding during this process. If you like, I'm happy to help guide you through the next steps or answer questions. Right, so that is rewriting it exactly as we asked it for. Let's go over to the form, and I want to make a little change here. I want to add in another field, and we'll put comedian. For comedian, we then need to go to the AI agent and just add in there, don't we? So professional, friendly, persuasive, comedian, cracks jokes and makes light of everything. All right, let's try it. Close that and then just stop and rerun it again. Let's go to execute workflow. So we'll call that comedian. Target option comedian, formality not formal, length longer, and the text to rewrite is the same rude letter. Okay, let's go over, and there's the comedian one. Let's see what it says. Dear Madam, so here we are. Times are wasting like a bad Wi-Fi signal, and your warranty is about to hit its expiration date. That means our little repair, replacement or refund magic trick. Spoiler alert, it's officially over. The clock struck out on that guarantee and now it's gone. As you can see, it's writing something in a very unprofessional way, making a joke of everything. So that is my demo tonal rewriter. Feel free to make your own changes to it and modify it so that it works the way you want it to.